Nova Scotia's Chief Medical Officer of Health is among those calling on the federal government to treat drug use as a health issue, not a criminal issue. That could mean taxing and regulating marijuana. Dr. Robert Strang is one of the authors of a new report that says the current war on drugs just isn't working. Here's CTV's Kayla Hounsell.
Louis Albert works at a smoke shop and has long believed in decriminalizing marijuana.
You wouldn't have as much crime, I don't think. A lot of people, everybody's going to keep going, and it's just going to drive prices up on everything. People won't stop getting it. Everybody's going to get it. They're just going to keep it more under the table if it's not legalized or decriminalized.
It's one of the suggestions echoed in a new paper in the international medical journal Open Medicine. Along with two of his counterparts from other provinces, Nova Scotia's chief medical health officer argues the current war on drugs isn't working.
Certainly those who are addicted to substances, it's a health, it's a medical issue. It's not a criminal justice issue. And they need and deserve our care and treatment, not just to be locked up in prison.
Dr. Strang goes on to say all illegal drugs should be regulated by the government, that school-based prevention programs don't work, and that we need to look at more treatment programs and safe injection sites. He also opposes the government's recent plan to enact mandatory minimum sentences for drug law violations. All of it causing a heated debate in the House of Commons today.
This government has taken substantial efforts to try to curb smoking. One of the things we won't do is try to legalize marijuana, Mr. Speaker. We think that is not in the best interest of middle-class families across this country. We believe that we should get tough on drug dealers.
Our current approach is costing us billions of dollars and is not really achieving anything. It hasn't controlled drug use.
Back at the smoke shop, Louis Albert agrees.
I think it's ridiculous. Nobody should have to go to jail for using something that helps them.
A sentiment now backed by a group of top provincial doctors. Kayla Hounsell, CTV News, Halifax.